Hey guys, let me show you guys what I've been working on. All we have to do is come right down here, and it'll lead us to our little dungeon. Hello, villager. I'm gonna make you my cook, and you can be my librarian. Anyways, let me show you my other villagers. I think that this one will work my farm. That one can be... I'll figure out his job later. Anyways, let me show you my other villagers. I think that you can also work the field. Let's see. I got another villager up here. Let's see what he can do. Oh. He's a green coat. I hate green coats. This dungeon has another feature, by the way. All I have to do is hit these levers, and he should fall. Ooh, actually, wait, this leads me to an idea. If you watch, he falls. Falling doesn't just happen, though. Something has to make him fall. Let's watch again as he falls. Let's reverse it. Now, as he falls, as you can see, gravity will pull him down. Let's calculate that. Let's start off by measuring the blocks.
The height of Steve is just enough to fit through this door. Why do you kill me, observer face? And the height of the average person's about like 2 meters.
And since it's 2 blocks, every block is going to be 1 meter. Let's keep going.
Gran, you failed! No! That was for the villagers!
This right here is a launcher that will help us calculate the gravity. So yeah.
Let's go kill ourselves, shall we?
Views up there. Oh, hello. Sounds like it's telling me to go somewhere specific, don't you think, observer face? And it starts at -51, goes all the way up to 209, and then comes back down until we hit by a cannon.
When calculating the time, we find that 18.61 is when we're at our highest peak, and 24.17 is when we hit the ground. Using some calculations, we can find that it took 5.555 seconds for us to hit the ground. Know that our highest peak was 209 meters, and our lowest was -50. Using calculations, we found that we traveled 259 meters in that time. And we can also use our formula in kinematics to calculate the gravity. As you can see, when we rearrange the equation, we'll be able to plug in our numbers. Plugging in our numbers, we put it all together, and we find that the gravity of the villager and Steve is 16.78. We can do more with this situation, actually, by figuring out where the villager actually dies from a certain height. Let's actually do a little montage of that. Anyways, we found that 23.5 meters is when the villager finally dies. Also, we're going to use our energy formula to figure out its final speed, which will help us find more things. So we'll start off by actually putting down the actual formulas, and we'll make them equal to each other with the gravity formula and the kinetic formula. We're also going to have to do a massacre and get rid of the m's. Then after a little bit of rearranging, we find that we're going to multiply all of these together and square root it to find the velocity, which is 28 meters per second. Anyways, let's look up when humans normally die from falling. Let's look up how much force it takes. I mean, this can't possibly go wrong by looking up something like this. Note to self, don't look up how to kill people or what it takes to kill people. Let's actually look up the height it takes. And after we did some research, we found that it was 19.5 for a human to die. We're going to use our momentum formula to figure out the mass of a villager. We'll do the same thing with the energy formula for the human to figure out its speed at the end. Plugging it all in, we will find the velocity of a human, which we find that it's 19.56. Then we're going to equal both momentums up to each other because it should take the same momentum to kill both of them. Anyways, we're going to get rid of that now and actually plug in our numbers. When plugging in our numbers, we find this formula right here. We're going to need to divide by our 28 and move it to the other side. Then we're going to replace the m and show that we find that we are 52.5 kilograms. So we find that the villager weighs 52.5 kilograms if it takes the same momentum. And for you American people, that is 115.5 pounds on Earth, but it feels like 197 pounds on the Minecraft world. Anyways, let's get back to our dungeon and so I can show you more about it with our villagers and giving them jobs. Let me come down the stairs. So let's see. I'm going to go back to what... Oh, wait a minute. Well, I guess I got rid of these villagers by accident. Let's look over... Oh, wait. Where are my slaves? I mean, workers. I mean, where did... Oh, I think they're all dead. Oops. Oh well, plan B. We're going to do something different. I guess we're going to have other plans. Let me show you my map room. Anyways, this is my map room. And I need to go search for some people if I want to continue on with certain videos. Yeah, no, I need to find them. I'm going to go on an adventure now. And hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.